Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
What is the fourth most famous hadith book in Islam? Your options are option A, Musnad Abu Dawud, or option B, Malik. The right answer is option A, Musnad Abu Dawud. What is the fifth most famous hadith book in Islam? Your options are option A, Muslim, or option B, Musnad Nasa'i. The right answer is option B, Musnad Nasa'i. What is the sixth most famous hadith book in Islam? Your options are option A, Musnad Nasa'i, or option B, Musnad Ibn Majah. The right answer is option B, Musnad Ibn Majah. What does isnad means? Your options are option A, chain of hadith, or option B, chain of authorities. The right answer is option B, chain of authorities. How is the hadith classified into different degree? Your options are option A, according to authority, or option B, according to reliability. The right answer is option B, according to reliability. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Jumu'ah? Your options are option A, 14, or option B, 11. The right answer is option B, 11. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Munafiqun? Your options are option A, 15, or option B, 11. The right answer is option B, 11. How many ayats are there in Surah At-Taghabun? Your options are option A, 16, or option B, 18. The right answer is option B, 18. How many ayats are there in Surah At-Talaq? Your options are option A, 18, or option B, 12. The right answer is option B, 12. How many ayats are there in Surah At-Tahrim? Your options are option A, 19 or option B, 12. The right answer is option B, 12.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.